Hey, Justin here, FNK Classic Cars. It's a beautiful Memorial Day Monday out there. We're getting ready to take the 57 Chevy Bel Air up to Gettysburg. Giant car show up there at the outlet malls. Join us on the ride. We got a lot of cool stuff to see.
Car show, some old cars and a big ass line.
So we're at the pre-car show. The car show's happening over there, and we got our own car show over here. So I want to introduce you to Chris.
Hey, how you doing?
Chris, shout out your channel. Chris has got his own channel
All
too.
Over Nova.
All Over Nova, there it is.
Here it is.
Chris has been on with us before.
Good.
We got George.
Hey, how you doing?
George got a channel. Shout out your channel.
Hodges Hot Wheels and Diecast. Do a little bit of everything on there, from real cars to diecast, restorations, customs.
Really cool stuff.
And taking a little break from it right now to finish some of my real cars, but like I said, I'll be back there in there this fall.
You need to check his channel, check Chris's channel.
You can follow my channel, it's stupid. We just drive around all over.
So his channel, he's got a bunch of people in Australia that watch, and you've all followed us over here, so we appreciate that.
Yeah.
And we hope to get you some folks.
Yeah, my channel's just starting off. It's called All Over Nova. Like I say, I drive my Nova all over. It's
Therefore,
been
it's
all
all
over
over
the United
Nova.
States.
Yeah.
So I'm just starting off, so we'll see where it goes.
All right, gentlemen, shall we go check out this show?
Absolutely.
That's happening
Yes,
out,
absolutely.
out there? All right.
A lot of good stuff here today.
All right,
Let's see what it is.
Let's do it.
See you.
Oh, no carrying radios with them?
we have here is a really nice 57 Chevy Post sedan, and somebody's modernized this, putting a 5.3 LS motor out of probably an early 2000s Chevrolet truck. When you do this, it gives you a modern feel of driving a 70-year-old car.
Yeah, dependability.
Dependability, reliability, plus it gives you probably close to 400 horsepower.
Yeah.
And you can drive it from here to Ocean City and get great gas mileage on top to boot. So, and we got disc brakes on the front too. Check it, vented disc brakes on the front, like a modern car.
Decepticons on the side.
Hi, Memphis. Hi, George.
Hey, how you doing? I've been a day late, $1 short for the past 30 years on one of these 77
Oh, me too.
special editions.
Me too.
When they came up for sale where I could afford them, I didn't have money. When I had money, they weren't. You couldn't find them.
I could have bought one of these about 20 years ago for dirt cheap and didn't do it. A friend of mine was selling it where I worked. And of course, you know, I've been kicking myself ever since.
It took me 18 years to get another one, another second gen F-Bomber.
Extreme close up.
You get that Decepticon covered truck over there.
What's that?
That truck covered in Decepticon decals.
Oh,
All the LEDs in
America. What we got here?
Yeah, what we have is a Mazda RX-7 from back in the early 80s. His lady with a rotary motor. Very unique engine. Great sound too, doesn't it?
So Memphis,
right there.
you're 16, and it's unusual for young guys to be into the car scene. So were your parents into it, or what got you there, or even George for you?
What got it for me was my neighbor had a turquoise 57 Chevy he would drive to high school every day.
Yeah.
And I would watch it go up down the road. And my father told me the difference between 55, 56, 57s, and I learned that at a young age. And one time I got to go ride in that car at like 8 years old, and it's been in my obsession ever since. And shortly after that, Dad had to start getting me Hot Rod magazine, and
Hey, it
you know,
started
all
the obsession, right?
Yeah, it's just the whole car obsession that's been with me my whole life.
Right.
And just like this car right here, it's been an obsession of mine. A '77 Special Edition Trans Am.
Yeah, Smokey and the Bandit did it for me.
It did it for me too. I mean,
And then Knight Rider
Knight
with
Rider.
the newer one. That's why I have an 87 Firebird.
yes, Dukes of Hazzard. Everything had a car or a vehicle incorporated
Yeah.
into their TV shows.
Yep, movies.
To sell more cars or
Yep.
get people into the car. The car culture was very, very strong back
I think
in our
that's
generation.
probably why, you know, our generation, you know, still is, you know, strong into the old car scene, because
Yeah,
we
we
always had that
always
around.
had cars that we got rid of that we missed, or maybe raised
Right.
children like I did, or you know, thinking, oh well, I'll get another one, and then right after that the market goes
Right.
crazy, and then you can't get them anymore.
Yeah. The younger guys don't have this kind of stuff in their pop culture quite like we did. So Memphis, what got you
I mean,
started?
my thing was just in school and stuff, the only real classes that kept my attention were the engineering classes.
Okay.
So then I just started researching engineering stuff in general and eventually got to cars and how fascinating they were. I just love looking at diagrams and construction papers and history of the cars. I mean, Mazda's rotary engine is like a real soft spot for me. I love those things. They're so fascinating.
I mean,
My parents weren't real like car people. So, I mean, I wasn't really born into the hobby, but
So you kind of found it on your own.
yeah, it's more just something I figured out myself.
Well, it's just like with music back in the day. You'd hear a song and you wanted to hear more from the group. You'd just go backwards in time to learn more and more about it.
Yep.
And it's the same concept. There's a lot of neat stuff that goes into these cars and a lot of love. Some of these cars have been in families for 30, 40, 50, 60 years. And
Yeah, some of them in generations.
Generation to generation. When I see somebody from the younger generation take a liking to it, I like to pass what knowledge I have on.
Yep. Even the dogs like the old cars. All right, let's look around some more, shall we, gentlemen?
Sounds good.
Look at the Ford. Everybody, how you doing today?
So what do you think, Chris?
I think we're at the show. Having a good time.
We are having a good time.
Checking out all this iron metal up here. Checking all kinds of stuff, shaking booties.
It was shaking booties.
Getting her done, that's for sure. I think we got a few cars in this parking lot.
I think so.
Good seeing you. All right, take it easy.
Is it? There's a company called
All right, so what's next for All Over Nova?
All Over Nova in 2 weeks,
Yeah.
week and a half. The All Over Nova will be traveling on a few days of the Hot Rod Power Tour.
That's right. You and Leon are heading out, right?
Yep, me and half of FNK
Yep.
are going down to Rockingham, North Carolina. And then we're going to check out Charlotte after that. Then we're going to Bristol, Tennessee. And then from there, we're going to shotgun up to UMI Motorsports Park in Clearfield, PA to check out the Muscle on the Mountain autocross race. Yeah, we're going to
sounds
check the
pretty
boys
good.
out running up there. They got some big prize money running up there. Go do some watching of some autocross and see some friends up there. So probably another couple thousand miles for you All Over Nova. We'll see how she does.
Yeah, don't forget, jump on Chris's channel.
Yeah, there'll
On
be
YouTube?
some, we're gonna try to do some YouTube All Over Nova stuff. I don't know how to do it. Follow me on Facebook at Chris Reinhardt. You know, that's good.
Yep.
All Over Nova on Facebook too as well.
I'll throw a link in the bottom of the video here for
Cool,
you.
that'll work. Thank you very much. Appreciate all that. It's always a good time.
Well, thanks for joining me, gentlemen. Actually,
Hey.
I joined you guys, I think. I think you invited me.
Something, yeah, we
Yeah.
all just showed up here. We happened along on the same highway to get
That's
here
right.
together.
Appreciate the invite. It was pretty good.
Had a great time. Glad to have you all along.
What do you think, Memphis?
I thought it was fun.
You're the young buck in the crowd.
It was fun. I haven't really been to a big old car show like this before. So
Yeah.
it was a good time.
Think you'll come out to one again?
I think so.
All right. How you doing?
This is Gary.
Gary, how you doing?
Gary's a good friend of the All Over Nova page.
Oh, all right. Very
Gary
good.
autocrosses with me.
Gary, say hi to everybody.
Say hi, Gary.
Oh, hello, everybody. Gary Hatfield of UMI and After Dark.
There you go.
Right on.
After Dark Racing. He runs with me, does a lot of autocrossing and stuff.
All right.
Runs around. He's a good guy. He drives a Corvette.
Nice.
Got
What
a
year?
Corvette.
2007 Z06.
Okay, that's cool.
Plus, he's got a convertible IROC. He wheels around the track pretty well.
Cool.
So Gary's a good guy.
Well, I guess that
Rolling
about that wraps it up. We're heading out.
Yep.
Had a great time.
Until next time.
That's cool. I had to watch it.
You got guys walking through the. I'll have to edit that part out.
That's everybody wants to be a
All
part.
right.
Hey, that's
America
cool,
wants to
guys.
be a.
You have to
Everybody
share
comes right
this.
on
I see
through.
it now.
Yeah, it'll get up on our channel.
We're all friends and family.
All right.
Everybody just wants to walk right in front of the camera.
Yeah,
they
that's
love
right.
it. We love them, man. We accept everybody in the group.
Yeah.
We like people. People like us apparently because they walk right intentionally around
Right.
in front of the camera.
Yes.
So it's good times for
right.
everybody, especially the one that was dressed like the American flag.
That's right. Well, it's Memorial Day.
Memorial Day. We're going to leave that edited in.
Okay, we can leave it.
Leave it edited in because
Yes.
it's Memorial Day
All right.
and we salute you.
All right. Well, this is FNK Classic Cars. That's Gary.
This is Gary.
New to me, Gary. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you, sir.
You know Chris, all over
All
Nova.
over and over.
George.
Hodges Hot Wheels and Diecast.
Memphis. I'm not affiliated with anything. I'm just here.
He's a new tag along, learning the
The ropes.
That's Memphis. We corrupted him today.
That's right.
Yes.
All right, we'll see you on the next one.
Next one. See ya.
Hey, that was cool. I didn't know.
Oh boy! You got that, right? Uh-huh. We still got it. Watch out, George. Spectacular send-off.